Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Ashley from xbackuniversity.com. And today, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to save your relationship if you were lying to your partner. If you're new to this channel, welcome to go through the content of this video. Make sure you give me a thumb up. And please also visit the resources section below and get the free report guide we recommended. And subscribe to this channel for future videos. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Number 1. Find a way to lay the blame on who deserves it. You lied to someone, and the first step is acceptance of that. You can't move on until you acknowledge to yourself that you have done something wrong. Our instinct as people is always to try and put the blame on someone else. But if you want to know how to fix a relationship after lying, the first step always has to be taking some responsibility. Rather than making excuses, remind yourself what happened and take ownership of your mistake. Number 2. Apologize. And mean it. If you feel no remorse for what you did, you're probably not ready to apologize properly. If you haven't completed step 1, then you will also struggle to make a genuine apology. In your heart, you know you're still angry and bitter at the other person's reaction, even if you don't have the right to be. That's why you have to be mentally prepared before you make an apology. There's no way you can help move past a lie if you're still not being honest. If you have lied to someone for whatever reason, they deserve to receive a meaningful apology, and you need to tell them the way things are in good time. Let them know that you're sorry for whatever you lied about, and promise never to do it again. Number 3. Be completely honest. Whatever it was you lied about, make sure you're honest about it. Reveal the whole truth to the person you lied to, so that they can assess how they want to react. Don't hold back to save your own skin, be truthful about what went down. It doesn't help to add another lie to the mix. If you keep things from them, it only makes you look worse when the truth eventually comes out. You have already caused damage, so it's better to get it all out of your system so you can begin to heal the wounds you caused. You need to be open to fix what's broken. So try your best to take on a fresh mindset. Number 4. Allow the person you lied to time to forgive. Depending on the strength of the lie, it can take someone a long time to forgive you. A lie can cut deeper than you intend. And though you can't control how much your lies affect what comes after, you have to realize that this was your own doing. If you hurt someone, saying you are sorry is not always good enough. That's why you need to approach with caution and wait with ultimate patience. This is not about your feelings. It's about theirs. When you lied, you let go of your right to be offended if someone doesn't take your apology. Number 5. If you are forgiven, don't take it for granted. Make sure you learn from your mistakes. Don't allow your past to catch up with you again and lead you astray. Thank the person for forgiving you, and then make sure you don't do anything to hurt them again. Tell them how much it means to you that they gave you a new start. They didn't have to take pity. So cherish their forgiving nature moving forwards. Above are the 5 simple tips you can use to save your relationship. Hope you enjoy this video. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumb up. And if you like this video, don't forget to check out the resources below and get free report guide we recommended. And subscribe to this channel for future videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.